In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a stunning blog website without writing articles. It will be Autoblog. You don't need to write anything. It will be written by ChatGPT, and with the ChatGPT API, all the articles will be written on your website. And this website is created with Elementor and WordPress and a basic WordPress theme. This is called Hello WordPress theme, and just drag and drop. You don't need to code anything. And via just drag and drop, you can design this kind of website very easily, and all the articles will be auto post on your website, and you can easily earn money with this kind of website. So please keep watching my video and follow the steps. For creating a website, first of all we need to install WordPress. So in my case, I have Namecheap hosting. You may have any other hosting, but for now I have Namecheap hosting, and domain is activated here. So first of all, I will go to in the hosting list and click on hosting panel. It means control panel. In control panel, I will install WordPress. So for installing WordPress, you need to find out soft calculus app installer in any hosting. So just click here, soft calculus, and here you can see WordPress is available here. So I will just click here, install. Here you need to select your domain that you have recently registered. So in the HTTPS, I will recommend you to select HTTPS and www, and in the domain I will select my domain. So giftideas.pk is my domain for installing WordPress. In the blog name, I will keep it this, and in the admin username, instead of admin you can use your own name. So here I will choose this one, username, and password is this one, and here you can see hide. I'm hiding this password, and I will use my own password here. And in this admin and email and something, and just click here and here, and just click on install. So WordPress will be installed. Here you can see WordPress has been installed. So I will just click here, my website, my domain /wp admin. Here you can see WordPress has been installed, and I am in the dashboard of my WordPress. So first of all, we need to do some basic settings in my WordPress. So just go here in the settings. In the settings, you can see this is site title. So your site title should be a good one and related to your topic. For example, my domain name is gift ideas, so my title should be gift ideas. Okay. And in the tagline, you can write a stunning tagline. So I will say all ideas about your life. So this is my tagline, and here I will click here, save changes. So title and tagline has been changed. Now in the again in the permalinks, I will click here, permalinks, and in the permalink I recommend you to click here, post name, and just click on save changes. Now all the necessary settings has been done. Now if I show you our website, this is not looking nice. We will make it nice, but first of all I will add some of posts in my blog website via ChatGPT and AI plugin. So first of all, I need a plugin for adding AI posts in our WordPress website. So for adding WordPress website, good ChatGPT plugins, we just need to go to plugins and click on add new. And first of all, you need to install this classic editor plugin. I recommend you to install this because this is also necessary for our dashboard. And here you just need to click here and search here AI engine, AIENGINE engine, and search. Here you can see AI engine GPT-3 content generator, and just click on install. Now another plugin I need is instant images. So click here and click search for instant images. Instant images. This plugin is for adding automatic images into our blog posts. Okay, this is this one, and just click on install. And another plugin for SEO, we need a plugin called YOAST, and here I will search for YOAST, and YOAST plugin will be available for us to install. Here you can see YOAST, and just click on install. Now all the plugins has been installed, and we just need to go to install plugins and look at this. We have all the plugins, and I will activate all the plugins at once, and just click here and just click on activate. Now all the bulk plugins will be activated. Now all the plugins has been activated. Now the last step for ChatGPT is connect ChatGPT with this plugin. So for connecting this, we need an API. So for getting API, you just go to your ChatGPT account. So if you don't have any ChatGPT, you can create a ChatGPT account. This is just very simple. You can just enter your email and you can easily sign up. So for now I am logging into my existing account, and I will get an API and show you how you can get an API for you and activate it with your plugin. Here you can see beta.openai.com account/API keys, and here you can see I have 2 API keys, and I will just create a new key and click on new key and just click on copy button and just click on OK. Now I have a key, and just paste here and save changes. And here now you can see we have connected it with our ChatGPT. Now our plugin is ready to create AI contents in the categories. I'll just click here categories, and we will add categories for our blog website, because categories are very important for any blogging websites. Here I will go with simple here, gift ideas, gift for friends, okay, girlfriend. Here, and this one is one category. Another is gift ideas, gift for our mother, or we can say parents. Okay. Another category we will say gift ideas for children. And now we have gift for parents, friends and children. Now I will say give me 10 titles for gift ideas for girlfriend, and now it will suggest us 10 titles ideas for our blog posts. So now 10 romantic gift ideas for your girlfriend, gift for the fashion forward girlfriend, and here surprise gift for. Now I will add these titles one by one and generate automatic posts in our WordPress blog. Now how we can generate new posts? Let's see. In the generate new, I will click here generate new, and it will automatically generate articles for us via title. So first of all I will give the title. Here I will just click here and paste this article, 10 romantic ideas for girlfriend, and here I will say generate headings. So how many headings you need? 5, 3, 8, 9 and 5. So for now I will say 5. So I will just click here 5, and 10 gift ideas for your girlfriend here, and the 10 romantic gift ideas, show your love and surprise, 10 unique ways to show you. Okay, and here generate content. And now we have creating content for our blog post. Here you can see we have a great content, and here you can see number of paragraphs per heading. So here 2 paragraphs maximum per heading we need, and excerpt I will just click here, and we will also have an excerpt for our blog post. Now you can see here, click on create a post and it will be created a post. Okay, now I will click here edit post. Here you can see we have this post here. Now we need to make a SEO friendly and make some changes here. So first of all, in the category I will just click here and click for here gift for girlfriend. So just click here, and here you can see readability score is 100%, and now we need to do some SEO. So for doing SEO, we just need to focus on keyword, that is gift ideas for girlfriend. So gift ideas for girlfriend, and here we'll see copy this one, and our focus keyword is here, and just click here, and here you can see there are some things that you need to follow. Now for making this SEO friendly, you can see there is no any image here available, so we need to add some of images here. So for adding images, you can go to pkSkills.com. here pkSkills.com, here you can download all kind of images free of cost. These all images are licensed. For example, if I search here gifts for girlfriend or gifts for girl or anything related to this our article, our keyword, so I can search here gifts for girl. Okay, now if I search here, lots of images will be there, so I can easily download them. Here you can see these are lots of images, so I can easily download them and upload here in our dashboard and in the featured image in the our post. For example, you can see all of SEO analytics I have fulfilled for this article, and after adding image here, I can update this post and it will be added. For now I will go back to the ChatGPT because I have added one article here, and by following these steps we can add more articles and add more posts in the our dashboard in the post area. If I add all the posts in the video will be very long, so I will add the remaining posts in that post area and show you. But for now, this one post was the reference how you can add a post and how you can publish. So I will add remaining posts here one by one, and I am pausing this video for now, and let's pause this video and restart after adding all posts. Now you can see I have added all the posts here. Now we go to the step design part. Well, now I have added all the posts in the dashboard, and if we go to our home page, it's not looking very nice, so we need to change its design and its appearance. So for changing the design, I am going to use a basic WordPress theme which is free of cost, and you don't need to pay anything for this theme, which is called Hello Elementor theme. So you just need to install this theme and activate. Then we need to go to here in the appearance themes, and then you can search here hello. When you will search here hello, you will see this theme. You just need to download and activate it, install and activate. I am going to activate it now, and then we need to organize it and we need to design it in the awesome way. Now you can see I have installed and activated it. Now I am going to add some of pages here, because for all information we need to display all the information in the pages. So now I have privacy policy and sample page, so I will click here and add a home page for my website and a blog page where I will show up all the posts on my blog page, as well as a contact page and about us page. For now I am adding a home page, so in the home page I will just say home page, home, and I will just go there and just click on publish. So now one page is added. Now you can see home page has been added, and now I'm going to add another page which is called blogs. For example, all the blog posts will be displayed on the blog posts page and on the blog page. So now I'm going to add a blog page. For now, here in the blog I will just say blog and just click on publish. So now we have two pages, one for home and second for blog posts. Here you can see if I go there and refresh it, it will not change, but its design will not be changed. We need to design it from scratch, and we need to make changes on that, and we make it more beautiful via adding Elementor plugin and make it more customizable. Here you can see this is not looking very nice. I will make it nice, but just to follow my steps. Now I have added 2 pages, and now I go to settings and click on journal, and for home page I will select home page, and for blog pages I will select blog page. So all the blogs will be display on blogs page, and home page will be for now empty, but I will add some of content on the home page. So in the home page I will select this one, and for posts I will select blog page, and just will click on save changes. For now the home page will be empty, there will not be anything, but on the blog page the posts will be added. So now you can see here is nothing, this page is empty. If I go there and click here and search for blog, and here you will see all the posts will be displayed on the blog page, but not in well designed. We need to design it in the awesome way. You can see there is no design. So let me start the design of this appearance of all the pages and posts. For now, making design changes and implement design on it, we are going to use a very famous page builder. It's called Elementor. So for Elementor we just need to go to plugins and add new, and in the plugins we will add Elementor plugin. Here I will search here Elementor. Here you can see I'll just click on install and click on activate. I will just skip this setup. We don't need to set up it. Just click here and just cut this setup. We don't need to set up it anymore. We are just using it for basic settings. So now you can see I have skipped this, and now we need to add Elementor Pro plugin. It's Pro version, so just go to plugins and add new. Here is the Elementor Pro. I have already downloaded it. If you want to download this Elementor Pro, you can go to vidon.com. Here is the link, and I will provide this link in the description, so you can download it free of cost. So I will go back, and here I will upload it in the plugins and install it. So now we have Elementor and Elementor Pro plugins, and after activating this plugin we are going to make the design changes and click on activate. Now after activating this plugin, we are going to add a new plugin which is called Envato Elements. In Envato Elements we will have design components free of course, so we just don't need to add anything from scratch. So in the elements, I will search Envato Elements. Here in the search Envato, you just need to search here Envato Elements, and here it will be available. Here you can say Envato Elements photo, and then just click on install and activate it. Now after activating it, you can see here we don't have any header and footer. So first of all we need to add a header and footer for our website. So I will go there and Envato Elements, here in the Envato Elements, and I will search here for free blocks. In the free blocks I will add a new header for our website because we don't have any header for now. So I will add an awesome header in my website. So here I will search for header. So here we'll say here you can see headers. In the headers I will have lots of headers for my website I can use for my website. So for example I use this one, and I will just click here import this template, and this template will be imported, so I can use it for my website. So I will also add a footer for my website. So I will just go back to free blocks and I will search for footers, and here in the footers I will select any of footer from these and I will use it for my website. So for example this one is the footer, and this one, any of footer I can use for my website. So you can select any of these footers for your website and use for you. So you can also create for you from scratch. So I will use this one and just click your import. So now we have header and footer imported. So we'll just go back in the Elementor and then templates and just click on add. When I will click on add new, and now I am going to add a header for my website. So I will just go back, and here you can see I have 3 templates that I have imported. So I will just click here, select, and here I am going to add a header. So I will just write here header. So I will just click on create. After this and just click here, cut this, and just click here on this icon and click on my templates, and in the my templates I will have the imported templates. Here you can see footer and header. So I will just click on insert, and header template will be imported here. Here you can see this is our header. So now we can make customization on this. So for example, on the left sidebar there is a logo, and in the middle it's a menu. So I will just click here, and it's saying logo. I will just say gift ideas. Gift ideas is my website logo, for example, and I will just make it more bigger, and in that I will add a navigation menu because there is no navigation menu for now. And I will just go back, and here in the appearance and in the menus I will just click here, and I will create a menu, navigation menu for my website. So I will just go there, and in the menus I will add a menu for my website. I will get here, and I will say navigation menu, or I'll just say nav, and just click on header and just click here. Great. Here you can see I have created a new menu. I'll just add pages into my menu. So I will just go here, and I will add my pages into my menu, as well as if I want to add my categories into my menu. So I'll just go there, screen options, and make sure if the categories icon is clicked, and just go back, and in the categories I have gift ideas for parents, gift ideas for, so I will just add these as well as in my menu. So now I have all the items in my navigation menu. I will just make it here, drag and drop, and just go back and save menu. Here you can see I have created a menu. I will just go back and click on publish. So after publish, you can just click here, add niche, add condition, and I will say entire set, and just click on save and close. Now I have published the header, and now I will go there and select the menu. Here I will refresh it, and after refreshing it I will select the menu that I want to display on the header. So all the navigation items will be displayed in our menu. Here you can see and there is already this is displaying. So if I click here in the icon, and here I will select menu that I have recently added. So nav is my menu, and just click on update, and I will go back and refresh my website, and I will see here the navigation menu is added, but the styling is not appearing. I'll just again refresh, control plus F5. Here you can see I have added these, but this is looking bigger than other things in the menu. So this is not looking very nice, so I will make it nice. So now I don't need this button, so I will just delete this one, and here I will just drag it and make it more bigger. So I will just click on update, and this will be updated. Here you can see I will just refresh it. Now you can see I have updated this menu, and here you can see all these appearance are here. So if I go back on the home page, and home page will be the home page, I will just refresh it. Here you can see, but you can see here this home page icon is not looking nice because its color is nice. So I will go there and click on this pencil icon, and I will just make some of styles here in the navigation menu. So in the hover color, if you click here, text color should be white. So in the active color, the text color is no, and I will just make it white and click on update. So the active colors, for example, if the page is home page is active color, so it will be also white, so it will be nice now. So here you can see navigation menu is added, and all the menu items are appearing here. Now the part is for footer. So I will go back and go back into the templates again, and I will add a footer for my website. Again we need to go to templates. Here is the templates, and click on add new, and I will add a footer for my website. So just click on here and select footer. So I will say footer, and just click on create template. In the footer, just go to my templates and just cut this on, and here you can see here is the option, and I will just click here, and in the my templates we are going to add a footer here. So here is the footer, and just click here insert. So now we need to add this as a footer. So here you can see footer has been added. So we are going to make changes here, some of changes, and in the background I will just say it should be background black because our header color is black, and okay, this one. And in that you can see all these text. I will just change this text Subscribe now for more changes, for more updates now. And in that you can add your own navigation menus in there. Here you can see, for example, I have added a navigation menu, so you can create your own navigation menu. For example, if I want to create a menu for my categories, so I will just click here, create a new menu, and for only categories, for blog categories, I can add a new menu and display in the footer. So I will just get there and I will say footer menu, or click here on the footer and create menu, and this menu will be created. So I will use this menu for my footer, so I will just add some categories here only. So I will just add this. So now you can see all the categories are here. So I will just save these changes and just click on publish, because before publish we don't need, will save changes. So I will just add condition entire site, or I will just save and close it, and this will be updated. So now I will refresh it, and I want to add this menu into the footer. So now I will add this recently created menu into the footer. Here you can see, here you can see this one here. I will just say footer menu. So the footer menu is now here. This one is the navigation, that is actual menu, and this one is the footer menu. So I will just move this here, and here I will add delete this one because I don't need this, and here this is empty, so I can add more of things here. So for now I will add a label here. I will just go there and click here for heading. I'll just copy this, and in the headings I will say categories, gift ideas, categories. So in that I will just say in the styles I will just topography, and in the size I will say 17 or 18 or 19 here, and the color I will select the white, and now you can see it's looking nice. In that section I will if I want to show some latest posts or something like that, so here you can see posts list. So I will just drag and drop here, and here I will say 3 columns, or I will just say 1 column, and posts I will say 2 posts, and image should be on top or left. I will say left image, and image ratio I will say 42%, and image width I will say 40%, and now you can see it's looking nice. Now I'm going to make more changes here, and in that read more I will just not read more because it will not it will cover the whole section. Now in the style, for example, in the style I will just say column gap is here. There's a column gap, I will just say 0, and row gap I will just make it more closer, and in the box or in the content, for example, in the content I will just say title color, and typography in the title I will just say font size should be 15, and here 15 pixel, font size is the 15 pixel now, and color should be white, for example, and here is a white color. Now you can see it's 15 now, and in that in the layout I will just say go back in the box, and here is the content, and in the content here you can see excerpt and something like that, and go back in the content I will just say title should be show, and excerpt should not show, and read more should not show, and just image, and here is the information, is the title and information, and I just don't not want to show these also. Now you can see only title is here, but see I'm on the back on the classic list, and I will go to the style again, and in the box I will select border radius 1 pixel, and 1 border width, and border radius should be 1, and padding should be 3, and here you can see a little border is here, and in that border radius and box shadow, if I click here, and it will be a shadow here, and in the content, if I go there in the content, and I will say here title color is this one, and I will make it more smaller. I will say it should be 14, and sorry, it should be 14 pixel, and it's now more small. So I will make it more bigger, and here you can see I have made it more bigger. So now you can see these are two posts are here, and if I go back in the layout, I can change the layout of this post, and if I increase the image ratio, it's now you can increasing. So now in this way you can make the changes into the post styles or the styling of your posts and something like that. So I will just refresh this. You can see here, and I can also increase the width of this, and I will just make it here, and I will just click on update. Now I will refresh it again, and let's see how it's looking now. Here it's saying that's looking nice. I will just make some queries here, and here this is looking nice, and now footer is ready. If I want to more increase or decrease, I can also do that, but now for now I'm thinking this is nice. Now another part is going to make styling of home page or make it more awesome. So for making home page changes or making a home page stunning, so just click on edit with Elementor, or just click on edit page. Now the home page, we are going to design the home page. So I will just first of all just click on edit with Elementor, because I am going to design this page using Elementor. And now you can see this home page. I don't need this, and I will just go there here settings, and in the settings you can see hide title, and I will just turn on this. Now you can see there is no home page is looking. Now I want to add a new row here, and new row is edit here. Now I want to edit a slider of some beautiful images. I will just click here and search for slider. So now you can see slider is here. I will just drag and drop there, and now you can see I have a beautiful slider here with some of content here. But now you can see there are some things, and here is the height. I can increase or decrease its height, and in the slider options I can autoplay and show hider and something like that. So I can make changes here. So content width I'll say 100%, and I want to share it 100% on the edge to edge. So now go back in that, and in that I will say full width, and I don't want to make some of the here you can see this is full width. Now I want to add some of content in the slider, so I will just go there in the slider. In the content I will say here is the first slide. So first slide I will add a background image here. So for downloading background you can go to Envato. For downloading images we can go to pkSkills.com, and here we can search the images that we need. For example, I need gift images, and I will just search here gift, and all the related gift images will be there, for example. And if I want to download any of the images from there, for example I have this one, I want to download, and I just click here, and I just download medium size, and just click on download, and download this image will be here. So now I want to upload this image, so I will just go there in the pencil icon, and I will just upload this image via drag and drop. So now I can upload this image very efficiently without any distortion or without any other thing. Now you can see image has been uploaded, and just click on insert image, and this image in the background of this first slide. Now if I want to download another image, I will just go back, and here you can see this image. So I will just click here and download this image and upload again. I'll just go back and just click here on this image, and here I will just click here and download this image in the size, and just download. Now you can see image has been downloaded, and in the second slide I will just click here, and second slide I will upload this image in the second slide. Now I have third slide, and I will go back, and in the third slide I will search image for my third slide, and let's see yes, this one. Okay, this one. So I will upload this image for my third slide. So just click here and download this image, and I will add this image in the my third slide. I just go click here and second slide, and in the third slide I will add this image. So I will go there and image, and in the image I will upload this image, and third slide image will be there. Now click on insert, and third image is there. Now I have 3 slides in my header and footer, and here you can see, and here if I click here in the third slide, it's a bit white and text is not visible there. So I will just here and set here background overlay, and in the background overlay I will just say background color white, brown, and here black color, and now the text is now visible in my slide. So if I click here as Ken Burns effect, so it will be zooming effect in my images. For example, in that this is not Ken Burns, I'll just click here, and here I will say Ken Burn effect. So here you can see this is now Ken Burn is effects, so I will add it there also, and here. Now these are 3 slides. So now I want to add some of text there, so I will just get the text ideas from ChatGPT. GPT is a very powerful software for getting text ideas or getting free text from it. So we just can add commands here, and it will give us stunning text for us. So now you can see there are 3 slides, and here if I see there is a white row, border on the up and left. So I just want to reduce this. I just click here, and I will say content column gap, I will just say no gap, and here you can see this gap will be removed. So I will just go there in the pencil icon, and now I want to make changes into the slides. So go there and just click here, and this is ChatGPT. So from that I want to get text ideas for my slides. So here I will say text ideas for I will say 3 slogans for gift ideas website or blog. Okay, here let's see what ChatGPT replies. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's saying unwrap the perfect gift ideas with S and gift giving made simple. Okay, so here I will say unwrap. Okay, I'll just go copy that, and here in the title I will just say that one as a title, and here in the content I will just say this one unwrapping, and I will just go there, and in that I will say click here, or I will say read more. Okay, in the read more I will just add my blogs URL. So I will just here, and now in that heading 2 I will just say giving gifts made simple. So I will in the content I will just add this in the top and here, and just remove the text, and here I will say our blogs, and here in the blogs I will just add it into the blog. Now this is second slide, and in the third slide I will just copy that and just go there, and content I will just add this in the third slide and just copy this, and in the click here I will say read more, and I will just redirect it into our blog page, because basically we are having a blogging website, so our traffic should be redirect to the blogs. So now I just click here and update. If I click here and update, so if I go to my home page, so let's see the home page changes are landing page changes are made or not. So if I refresh it, here you can see this is a slider has been added into the home page. Now I want to add some of more sections here. So now I will add a new section here. I'll just click here pencil icon, and I'll just add this one row, and in that I will add new heading. So I will say latest posts here. I will just here and drag and drop here, and I will just say latest gift ideas. Okay, latest gift ideas. So I will make it center. Okay, now it's in center. I want to make text color changes, so I will add the color is black. Okay, and the black. Now I want to add some of padding on the top and bottom, so I will just click here, and here I will say margin should be 50% of 40 pixels. Now you can see it's now less than. Now I will add a new here. If I want to add anything else, I can add here. For example, if I want to change the style of text or something like that, or font family, I can change here. Now I will go there, and here I will search for posts, because I want to show the sum of posts here. So I will say posts and just click here and drag and drop there, and here I will say columns should be 3, and the skin should be in the cards. So in the cards I should say 3, and posts should be 3 here, because I don't want to show many images posts. So here, and here I will say title should be appear, excerpt should not be appear, and here date and time. Okay, and comments, and here you can see, and avatar, for example avatar, here I will just remove this avatar. So now it's looking nice. Now I want to make some more changes into styling. So I will just click here on the style, and in the card I will just say border width. So this is the border width that is showing. So border width I will say 1 pixel. Now you can see 1 pixel border width is added. So border radius, for example, now border radius is this one, almost 2 pixel or 3 pixels. So if I want to add more border radius, so I will add 15 pixels. So now you can see more curved. Now if I go here, if hover effect is here gradient, and if I click none, so all the hover effect will be removed. So just go there, and the content, in the content I want to make some of changes. For example, in the read more color I want to add in the read more I will just add this color, for example, and no, this color. Okay, now the read more color is that one. And if I want to click here cards and background color, if for example cards background color, I can change there and make this, for example, black, and cards background color will be black, so on. So if I want to change the border color, so this border color can be changed as well as. So in this way you can make changes into the styling of the color. So if I want to here the meta color and read more color, for example this is the meta color. So if I click here and here this one is the meta color. So if I click here and here, you can see this color has been changed. So this is basically the meta colors. And here read more color, and read more color I want to make it white. Here you can see this is now white. So here how you can make changes and make more changes into that colors and so on. Now if I want to click here in the styles, and you can decrease or increase the column gap, the row gap, and so on. So this is how you can make changes into the the website pages. For example, if I want to change the badges, these are the badges. So if I want to change the badges background color, so here you can see I have changed the badge background color. So now it's white. Now if I want to click here on the hover color is add, and in the hover color I want to change the badge color should be white, and the text color should be black. So if I hover it, the text color and the badges color will be changed. So this is how it works, and this is how it border radius, border size, and so on. You can give them all the specifications there. So now you can see this is very close to it, so I will just click here, and now I will just go to the advanced. In the advanced, I will make some margins here. So here I will just say 20 margin here to 20. Now this is no some spaces here. Now I want to add a new row, and just click here, and I will add a new row here, and in that I will make some of margins because I want to make some of styling here. So in the margin I will say 40 pixels. Now the closer margin is now right down. So here I will just click here. In the style I will just say in the style I will just click here in the classic, and I will add a background here in the left sidebar, and in the left row or in the left column I will add a background or image. For example, I want to add this image, and it's click on insert, and in that I will say position size should be cover, and now it's cover, and I will click here, and here I want to add a spacer. So here I will just drag and drop, and in the spacer I will add this one is here. Now I will add some text here. So I want to go here and write about us text for write about us text for blog website related to gift ideas, okay. Now I want to add a bit about page text, so I will add this into this section, on the right sidebar, and here is just writing, and I will add this text into this box, and here is the text that I want to add in the text. So just copy that, and here I will just go there, and in that I will just drag and drop text, and here I will just paste this text here. So now you can see this text has been added here. So I want to add some of styling here. So I will just first of all I will make it in the center, and I will just click here, and vertical align I will say middle. So now it's in middle, and if I click here, and it will be in middle. So now I just go back, and I will add a heading into the top. So I will go there, I will just copy this heading, just duplicate this heading and drag and drop here in the section. So here I will just add this here and make it left align, and here I will say about our blogs, okay. Now it's added, and here I will just add some of padding here because it's not looking good. So I will just here, and here I will say padding left should be 30 and padding right should be 30. Now you can see this is now looking nice. If I want to add more styles here, I can add it in the section, but for now I want to make it very simple. So now if go back, and here if I want to add radius or border along that, so I can also add. For example, I will just here styling, and in the style I will just make the border. For example, here is the border, and border radius should be 20. Okay, border radius is 20, and border type is, for example, solid. So here you can see here, and border width should be 1. Here you can see this is now looking nice. So here you can see this is the border radius and border. Now if I want to add its border, this section border or this section border area, I can also add that, but I want to make it very simple. Now I want to add a new section, and I will just click here in the new, and I will just add here a new section. So I will just click here and add this section here. Now in this section I just want to show the categories by spaces. For example, if I have 3 categories, so I will just get 3 categories here or so on. So if I just click here in the pencil icon and just margin it, and I will add 50 margin here and 50 top and 50 left. So now I have margin here. Now I'll go back here, and if I search here for categories, so here you can see if I can search here for categories, so now I have some of widgets here. For example, category, feature image, template and reviews. No, I don't have here. I'll just say post, and here this archive, loop, portfolio, posts, and here post info, post navigation, and portfolio. Okay, I'll just add a post here, and if I, for example, if I just want to copy this or duplicate this, I just say click here, copy, and just paste it here, and just click here and paste it here. Now I have these posts, but the above are latest posts, but I will add some of changes here in the query. In the query, I want to here, I will just here, I will say included by term, and in term I will say category, and in the category I just want to show the categories from gift ideas for girlfriend. So I will say categories, categories, and I will say gift for gift for, here I will say categories, and here I will say gift, here you can say gift for children. So I will just click here, and here you can see, this gift for children are available. For example, these are latest posts, but these are gift ideas for children. Now all the gift related to gift ideas for children will be here. So I can just make the title here gift ideas for children and or gift for children. So I will just go there, and in the headings I will just say or I will say heading, and in the heading I will say animated heading. So I will just here, and here I will say gift ideas for children here. Now these are the ideas for children, and here I will just go there and make it H3, that's fine. And if I want to make some of changes here, for example circle color or anything, so I can. So I will just click here headings. In the headings I will just say text color and text typography. I will say 15 or 18 pixel. It's too small. I say 27. So 27 is nice, but say 37, that's fine. 37 is fine. So these are gift ideas for children. Now you can see latest gift ideas, and this is about section, and these are gift ideas for children. Now I want to add more area or row. I will just click here, and I will add 2 rows here. So I will add here a new background color, or sorry, background image. So I'll just click here in the styles, and I will just go there in the background classic and click here and add an image to display 2 other categories or 2 categories to redirect. So here, for example, this one, I will just add this image in the insert here, you can see, and I will just say size should be cover. And if I say background overlay, so I want to add a background black overlay, and here the color I will select this one, and here you can see this is the background overlay. Now I have added a background overlay. Now I will just go there and add a heading or a button here. So I'll just click here and search for button, and I want to add this button here and here. Now I have added this button, and I want to add some of paddings to above and dust. So just click here, and in the padding I will just say top padding should be 200 and the bottom padding should be 200. Now you can see this is here. Now I want to make some of changes there, and in that I will say, instead of click here, I will say gift ideas for parents. Okay, and in that I will add my category URL. For example, this gift ideas for parents URL. So copy this URL and paste here. Now I have added this URL here, and I will make it alignment center. Now I want to add some more things here because this is the very basic. So I want to add some of styling in the button. So I will click here in the style, and in the style I will say background color should be transparent because I don't want to add any color here. Here you can see this is transparent, and border radius should be 15 pixel, and border type should be solid. Here you can see border type is a solid. So if I make border radius 0 or 2 pixels, and border width should be 2 pixels. So here you can see, and if I click here hover, and if in the hover I will say background color should be classic, and in the classic background color I should say black. So if I click here, go there, and sorry, border color will be black, and as well as the background color should be black. Here I will say background color black, and here if I go there, and it changes with the slide. So in that way I'll just click here and duplicate this section. Now I have two sections here. Now I will delete this section because I have already created a section. I'll just click here, and in that I will in the background I want to change this background, and in that I will just click here, and here I will just add girlfriend image, for example this one, and insert this image in that. Now you can see here in that URL, in that button, I will add gift ideas for girlfriends. I will say gift ideas for girlfriend, and here I have added this. Now we have 3 sections and a slider and a beautiful sections, 2 sections here, and if you want to add your contact details or so on, in that you can add, but I will just update this, and let's see how our home page looks like. So I will just refresh this, and let's see how our home page is looking nice, or looking very nice. So now I think this color for this title color is not relevant, otherwise other things are perfect. So now I want to add some of images here. For example, just go there, and I want to make it full width, and here is a full width, and now I will just go there, and now its full width is looking nice, and just click on update, and just go there, and I will refresh this, and here you can see this is looking nice. Now I want to add some of changes there because I think this title color should be changed. So in that I will just go there in the styles, and in the style, in the in the content, here this is the content. The title color is that one. I want to change this into this, and here is the typography I can change as well as, but now I think this looking very nice. Now the final step for the home page is making it mobile responsive. So for example, the traffic for mobile is more than PC. So if I go there, in this icon here you can see it's a responsive icon, and just click here and click on this mobile icon. So let's see how it looks like on mobile. So first of all, if you click here in the home slider, that's looking nice, and these are posters. So if I click here, these are also nice. And if you see that one is looking odd, so I will just add some of padding about the above the about us page. So I will just say margin 20%. So now it's looking nice and nice. And here you can see these are two sections, and now this is the footer. So it means homepage is also mobile responsive as well as desktop responsive. You don't need to add anything into the homepage or anything into the slider. So just click here and refresh this, and here you can see it's not refreshing it, and now homepage is ready. Now it means our homepage is awesome and homepage is ready. So now its homepage is designed. Now the second part is how you can make some awesome design for posts page. Because for example, here you can see the posts are looking very blurry because this is only text and no any featured image or other information about post are displaying. So I will go back, and now in this part I will show you how you can create a template for your posts. And for creating a template for your posts, just go there, templates, and click on add new. And now I will just click here, screens. Sorry, for example, I just click here, instance, no, and I will add a new section. Click on add new, and here I will say just click on single post, and I will say single post template. Okay, now I'll just click here, create template for single post. I will just click here on cross icon, and we don't need that. And now I'm going to styling giving the style for all posts. So just click here on the pencil icon, and I will add a new row here. And the row I will just go here, and in the here I will say just full width. And in the styles I will just like to add a background here. In the image, in that just click on this icon, dynamic tags, and click on featured image. So all the featured images here will be applied. So the position should be default, and I should say cover, and position should be default. Now I have there a background image, but it's not displaying. It will be displayed very soon. And here I will go back here, and I will add some background overlay here. In the background overlay, I will say in the color I will just click here, and background color overlay has been added. Now I want to click here and just go get there, and I will add a post title here. Now the post title is here, and I will add some of spacing on the top of this. So I will add a space, and here the spacer, I'll just go there and paste this spacer here, and I will make it 87, and just duplicate this into the bottom of this title. So now you can see image is appearing, but not the whole image is appearing. So I will just add here you can see yes, and here I will add new here. Now you can see it's appearing, and now I will just go there and make it center. And in the style I'll just make it here white, and this is now white. And I will add some more informations. For example, post excerpt or post information, about author, table of contents, and so on. I will add all these things. So for example, I want to add post info, and I will just go there and post this post info. For example, author information, everything will be displayed here. First of all, I want to make styling. For example, text color should be white. So here is the text color is white. Now I will go back in the content, and I'll just remove this author and date and time and so on. And the type I will just say terms, and in the term I will say categories. So post categories should be appear here here you can see gift ideas is the categories. So here I will say categories, category. Okay, the category of this post is this one. Okay, now I will just go there, and here you can see, and if I click here, we can also default. So in the icon I will just say no icon, I don't need icon here. Now you can see category gift ideas are appearing here. If I want to add some of styling here, make them more styles, I can give them. For example, I just cut this, and now I want to add a new row here. For example, in the row I will just say internal row should be here, internal section, and in that internal section I just want to add here. Now in the internal section I want to add this, and now I want to make some of stylings here. In the style I will just say in the advanced I will say alignment should be center, and here in the style I say background. In the background I just want to add a background, and in that I'll just say background color should be black. So now you can see the background color has been added. And if I make it border, so I will say border radius should be 15 pixels. Oh, here you can see border radius has been added, and I want to make it now this is awesome. So if I go there and make it here, now you can see it has been reduced. So gift ideas for parents is, for example, it's category. So I want to, if I want to display here, or I had to want new text or anything, I can add. Now if I just duplicate this and go there in that, and here in that I just want to add new thing, for example tags. So this post tags will be displayed here, and all the tags will be here. So now you can see all the tags here, and this is the post category and this is the tags. Now in this way you can make styling on the all the things available into the post, and you can make changes into your settings. So for example, if I click here and make its width, for example 156, so here you can see the gift ideas for children has been added here. We can move it above the title or below the title, it depends. Now I want to add the text area of this post here, so I'll just click here and add a new row. Into this row I want to display the text of this post, actually the text area. Now I want to display the text, so I will just click here, and here is the post title, post content. I will just go there and paste the content of this post. Now you can see the post content is here. If I just click here, publish, and add condition, I will say all singulars, and just click on save. Now if I refresh this, for example, if I go there and refresh this post, so this post will be displayed in that is. So if I want to make changes, for example, and make this image as sticky image, so I will just go back in the style or the position attachment, I will say fixed. So if I click here and just update this, and now if I refresh this, now this image is fixed, and if I refresh this, image will be fixed here. Now you can see this is scrolling with that. Now this part is remaining that. Now in this part, if I want to add a new row for sidebar, a new column for the sidebar, I'll just click here and click here and add new column, and this column should be 25 or 30%. Okay 25, 26, 27. That's this row is 27, and I'll just click here, and in the style I will just add a background color, And in the background color I will just say black background color, for example, is an example. And here I will just add some of things here. I will just click here and I will just say posts. And if I want to show latest posts here, and so any thing in the sidebar, I can just show. For example, if I click here and post latest posts, I want to show here, and here you can see all the posts will be displayed here. For example, I will just say one column, and here you can see the latest posts, and I will say two, and I will just say cards, and the cards here, the latest posts will be displayed here, for example. And sorry, this one is one column, and here you can see the latest posters. I will just remove the badge and read more and excerpt. I just want to add only title and the image on the sidebar, and now this sidebar will be ready. And here you can see, if I want to add some more things in that, I can also add. So I will just click here and draw is the 2. If I want to add headings, for example, and here I will just click here, drag and drop here, and I will say latest posts, and here I will just make it left line, and the text should be here in that white. Now these are latest posts, and latest posts are 2. And if I click here, go back, and you can see post excerpt, featured image, about author, table of contents, comments, and so on. Post info, for example, if I want to show post info, and just click here, drag and drop, and all the post info will be displayed here, for example. And I just make some changes, and in the text color I will just say text color should be white, and in that content I just want to display in the row, for example, in the horizontal row. Here you can see, and if I want to make some gaps, space between, so here you can see space between here, and here I'll just go there, and in the post info I will just say latest post, so I will just copy, duplicate that, and here I'll just drag and drop, and here we'll say post info. Okay, post info. Now this is how you can add some things and some of changes here, or add a sidebar and left sidebar, right sidebar into your posts, for example. And if I want to add a divider, and here divider is sorry, separator. Sorry, divider. Here is a divider, and here is a divider, and its color is solid, and in the color I will say white color. It should be 2 pixels. Now it has been added. Now I will just click on update, and if I refresh this, and let's see how it's looking. Okay, sorry, it's not refreshed. Here you can see these are. Now I want to add some of spacing here because it's not looking nice. I will just go there and add some of padding on the top, and padding on top should be sorry, just click here, padding top should be 70 pixels. Okay, and left padding should be 20, and right should be 20. Now it's looking nice. Now if I want to go back here, and here let's see it's looking nice or not. And if I go there and I want to add some of padding there, so I'll just padding in that, I will just say padding top should be 90, and for example 90 is 50, and here is and padding right, sorry, it's looking nice now. It's looking very nice. And just go back and let's just update. Now it means you can add your AdSense codes and AdSense things into your sidebar, and text area is here, and in the sidebar you can see, add your AdSense information and so on. You can also add your own information in the sidebar. So I'll just go back and refresh it again. It has been refreshed and it's looking nice. Okay, now it's in this way you can make changes into your posts, and now all the post templates are made and all the posts are looking nice. Now the time is to make your categories template here. So for example, here is the category template. In the category template I want to show this kind of latest posts. For example, in the home page we have, and we want to make it just looks like that. So we go back into the templates and we will add a new template for the categories or archive. So we can, if we add a template for archive, so all the archives will be displayed into this template. So just go back in the templates and click on add new, and in that I will just say select, and I will say archive. Here is the archive, and I will say archive template, and just click on complete. And I will just go back, and here I just copy this because I need this, and just copy this and go there and just cross this, and in that I will add a new section, and here I will just add new row, and I will just click here and paste it here because I have copied it from my home page. Now for example here, so now I want to add some of more informations, and now I will add some more information here. For example, these are archive posts, so I'll just give here, and archive posts will be displayed here. Here you can see archive posts are there. Now I want to delete this because I don't need that. I'll just delete that, and if I have more than one archive posts, so I can display. For example, I just click here publish and add condition. I will just add condition, and all archives I will say yes, all archives, and just click on save and close. And I will go back, and for example this one is category for ideas, so I'll just refresh it and let's see how it looks like. Now you can see I will add more changes, but it's a start. Now I'll go back, and here I will just click here, and in the I will say cards because cards looking is very nice, and in the cards I want to add more changes here. Now you can see these are cards, and in the cards I just want to don't want to show badge, so just click here, and avatar I'll just go back, and I don't want to show avatar as well as. Now these are added in that. Now I want to add, for example, the excerpt is 25, excerpt length 25, I'll just say 15. The excerpt length should be 15. For example, this text is excerpt, this text, the text that is showing below than custom and below than title. Now I want to add some more sections here. I'll just click here on that, and I will add a new row here. In the row I just want to display the title of this archive, just here, and I'll just here and archive title, and in that here you can see archives, and just make it center, and archive and including context. I'll just click here or deselect it and click on update, and just go there and refresh this, and looks like how it looks like and how it's looking. Now I will just refresh it, Control plus F5. Now you can see gift for parents is here, and here all things are appearing. Now I want to make more settings here. In the background I want to add an image, so column width should be full width. In the style I will just add a background image, and just click here background and just click on image, and in that I will add a background image for my categories page, or I want to add this one, and just click here inside image. Now it's not looking very nice. I'll just say add a spacer here, spacer, and just put there, and add a spacer here, and just share, and just duplicate this and below that as well as. Now I want to make this text white, and here I will just say white. Now the archive title is here, and here the posts are here. Just go back, and here I will just click on this. Now you can add your custom settings or custom things here. For example, if you want to add custom codes, or custom codes or Google codes or AdSense codes, you can add. Just refresh it, and let's see how it looks like. Now you can see this is looking nice, and if I want to add some paddings here, I can add, and if I don't want, I can just add, click here, and I want to add some margins here. So here I will say I will like say 50. Okay, now this 50 margin in the top and bottom. So just click here and refresh it, and now the margin is added here. So now it's the archive page or templates. Just click here on the gift, or on the categories. You click on any category, so this template will be applied on the category, and all these categories are very awesome. For example, if you click on blog, and the blog posts, you can see all the blogs are displaying here. These are numbers, and these are if you want to add changes in these numbers, or the numbers that are showing in below, so you can add. For example, in the pagination you can say page limit 5 and shorten, or for example numbers, and advance you can give them a styling, or in the pagination if you want to add some styling, or some colors changes, you can add. You can add anything that you want. You can make changes anything that you want. So in that you have learned how you can create a home page, as well as a category page, as well as a blog page and a post page. So everything is looking very nice. In that way you can create a stunning home page and stunning website for your website. Now if I applied for this is applied on your home page as well as. So let's see how you can remove it, because the post template is applied on the home page as well as. So I will go back, and on the posts template here I will just go there in that settings, in that, and in the display creation I will say add new condition, and that I will say exclude, and in that I will say landing page front page. I'll just click here, save and close. Now this will not appear on the home page. We'll just refresh it, and let's see it is applied or not. Here you can see this is removed from home page. Now the home page is looking nice, and all the posts and archive and everything is looking good. This is very custom website created with Elementor and Hello WordPress theme, and all the things are starting from scratch, and I have created everything one by one, and you can use your own things and your own styling in your website. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button, and comment below if you have any question for me. Thank you.